Hey everyone, today I will show you how to add video overlay in CapCut, and here's how it is done. Open CapCut, launch the app and either open an existing project or create a new one. Select a background video. Here's the video you want in the background and click Add in the bottom right. Deselect the video. If the background video is selected, deselect it by clicking the back button in the bottom left. Add an overlay. Scroll through the options at the bottom and click on Overlay. Choose Add Overlay and select the video you want to overlay. Foreground video. Resize and position. The overlay video will appear in the preview screen. Use two fingers to pinch and resize the overlay video and drag it to the desired position. Example, bottom left for a face cam. Edit the overlay. To edit the overlay video further, select the video in the timeline. You can add more overlays, text, music, or other effects as needed. Save the video. Once you are satisfied, press the Save button in the top right to export the video. The guide emphasizes resizing the video and adjusting it to fit your needs, as well as how to manage multiple overlays. And that is everything you need to know about how to add video overlay in CapCut. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.